Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone 15 Pro Max keeps freezing or lagging issue in iPhone 15 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, to solve this issue, restart your iPhone. So to restart, click your power button and volume down button at the same time. Now swipe this icon to right to restart your iPhone. So after restarting, close your all background apps. For example, I have opened many apps in the background. So to fix lagging or freezing issue, close all background apps and it will stop lagging or freezing. And if it's not working again properly, then open settings and then click on general, and here click on background app refresh. Now here click on background app refresh and turn it off. So after turning off background app refresh, your phone will stop freezing or lagging. And if it's still lagging or freezing, then clear cookies in Safari, open settings. Now here scroll down and click on Safari. Now here scroll down and then click on clear history and website data, and from here click on all history and turn on close all tabs option. And after turning on close all tabs option, click on clear history, and after clearing the history, your phone will stop lagging or freezing. And if it's still not working, then try updating all apps in App Store. Open App Store and then click on this profile icon, and from here update all the apps you have not updated to the latest version. And after updating the apps, free up space in your iPhone, and after freeing some space, your phone will stop lagging or freezing. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.